Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a common problem that many people face during the winter months, snow fleas. If you're someone who's been dealing with these pesky little insects, then you're in luck, because we're going to show you how to get rid of snow fleas once and for all. What are snow fleas? Before we get into how to get rid of snow fleas, it's important to understand what they are. Snow fleas are not actually fleas at all, but rather a type of springtail. They get their name because they tend to appear in large numbers on the snow, which can make it look like the snow is moving. While they don't pose any threat to humans or pets, they can be a nuisance if they start to invade your home. How to get rid of snow fleas? Clear away any debris. Snow fleas tend to thrive in areas where there is organic matter like leaves or decaying wood. So, the first step in getting rid of them is to clear away any debris from your yard or garden. Reduce moisture. Snow fleas also like moist environments, so it's important to reduce the amount of moisture in your home. This can be done by using a dehumidifier or by opening windows to allow fresh air to circulate. Seal up any cracks. Snow fleas can enter your home through small cracks and openings, so it's important to seal up any gaps around doors, windows, and pipes. Use diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a natural powder that is deadly to snow fleas. Sprinkle it around the perimeter of your home, as well as in any areas where you've seen snow fleas. Use insecticides. If you've tried all of the above methods and are still having trouble with snow fleas, you may need to use an insecticide. Be sure to read the label carefully and follow all instructions when using any type of insecticide. So there you have it, our top tips for getting rid of snow fleas. Remember, prevention is key, so be sure to clear away any debris and reduce moisture in and around your home. If you do end up with snow fleas, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to get rid of them. Just follow the steps we've outlined here, and you'll be snow flea free in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.